Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Adiola. If you're a newcomer, welcome. Hope you click that subscribe button down below. And if you do like this content, please make sure you click a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on this video once again. I love you all. Thank you so much for even supporting me and helping me get this far. So as you can see from the title, this is a very minimalistic, work-friendly, office-friendly makeup tutorial. It doesn't take too long because me, I like my sleep. So no, this makeup needs to be done in 10 minutes maximum. I've done makeup in 5 minutes before. Oh yes, go to my Instagram if you want to check out my 5-minute makeup challenge. A lot of the products I'm going to be using from that video will be in this video as well. So if you want to see my more minimalistic, work-friendly makeup tutorial, then stay tuned. A lot of these products are quite affordable. Some of them not so much, but they're not too expensive, and they don't run out too quickly, so you won't have to be spending money like every single month just trying to replace these products. So the first thing we're going to do is prime, and I'm going to use the MUA Makeup Pro Base Moisturising Primer. Like, this stuff is so affordable as well. Okay, so because we're not doing a very full coverage beat down, I'm going to colour correct, and I'm going to use the Girl Pro Conceal. This is the orange corrector, and I'm just popping this in the bits where I feel like are really dark. So I've just popped that on the places where I want to like sort of brighten. I'm just going to use this PC21 brush from Peaches and Cream just to blend that all in. Okay, so for foundation, I'm going to use the MAC Studio Fix powder, and this is in the shade NW50. I like to use a powder because it's just quicker, and it's just, there's no faffing around. You don't need a beauty blender to blend it out. You don't need to wet the beauty blender. Just grab a brush and quickly throw it on. It's just so much easier, and I feel like it gives you quite a bit of coverage as well, which is really good. So I like to actually put this on with a dual fiber brush. This is from MUA Cosmetics. I got this literally years ago, but you can use any sort of dual fiber brush. As you can see, it's giving me a little bit of coverage. It is a little bit dark for me, but that's fine because we're going to fix it anyway. Next, what I like to do is I like to use a concealer. So the concealer that I like to use is the Sleek MakeUp Lifeproof Concealer, and this is in the shade Creamy Cocoa. I really like this colour as well. So what I do is I just pop it in all the areas that I'm highlighting. The only thing I don't like about this concealer is the applicator. The applicator is annoying as you keep having to dip in, and that's annoying. But other than that, I like it because it's not too thick as well, and it's quite cheap as well. So if you find yourself using this every day, like Monday to Friday, and you run out of it, it's not too hard to replace. And I feel like there's a Boots or Superdrug everywhere, so you know. So to blend it out, I like to use this brush. This is the Real Techniques buffing brush. It comes in a set, which is really good. So, and look how easy that is to blend out. It's just so good. I love this concealer, and it sits on top of the powder really good. I've been told I say powder really weird. Is that true? Powder. How do you say powder? Powder. How do you say it then? Is it powder? Powder. Powder. Oh, I don't know. But I've been told I say it really weird. Look. Nah, see. Guys, look at this. Look at my skin. Are you serious right now? When I'm in a rush, this is literally what I do. I've been doing this for about a year now, and I feel like I've perfected it, and I feel like it always just looks really good, really put together. Like, come on, like, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous it is. Just to set all the highlighted areas, I go in again with another Studio Fix powder. Okay, I can hear it now. I do say powder a little bit weird. Yeah, I can hear it. Oh, that's annoying. Yeah, so as I was saying, I use a Studio Fix powder in the shade C8 this time, just to set my under eye and my highlighted areas. And the brush that I'm using also comes in that pack with this brush. So get that pack, actually, it's really good. I think it comes with like 4 brushes. So I'll insert a picture anyway so you can have a look to see what I mean. But it's actually a really good brush set, especially for like everyday makeup as well. just tapping that powder in. And I really like this colour because it gives you like brightness, but it doesn't look stupid at the same time. Do you know what I mean? So it just looks really good. I love it. Actually looks like I've put on like loads of makeup when I actually haven't. To finish off the face, the last things I really do is just a little bit of bronzer, and this is the MakeUp Revolution matte base powder in the shade P18, and then I'll go in with like blusher as well, because I just feel like I can't put on makeup without blusher. Like, if you do that, then I don't know, like you must be some form of, I don't know, like monster or something, because how can you put up makeup on, especially like a full face, and then not put blusher on? What's wrong with you? I'm not gonna get angry, let me just relax. So anyway, the blusher that I'm using is the Milani Sunset Passionae. I'm just gonna take this random brush that I got from eBay, I think it was, and I literally just pop it on like that, just to give me a bit more warmth. Like, if you want as well, you can go that extra step and contour your nose. I don't really contour my nose on like days like this, because I just feel like, you know, it's just too much. And then we're gonna go in with a bit of blusher. Now I'm very, very heavy on the blusher because I love it. But yeah, I just love this blusher because it just makes you look really like, it's really subtle, but it's there, like, and it's glowy as well, which I really like. Before I sort of do my eyebrows, I'm just going to spray my face quickly. So you just want to use any setting spray. I'm just going to use the MAC Fix Plus. This is the coconut flavour. I say flavour, but it's just a scent. What this does, it just allows your skin to look a bit more skin light. Because I've used a lot of powders, I just need my skin to look more fresh. Okay, so now we're gonna move on to the eyebrows, and for every day I just literally only do my eyebrows and a bit of mascara. If I feel like I've got more time on my hands, then I might do a wing liner, but other than that, it's literally just brows and mascara. To do the brows, I'm gonna use the MUA Makeup Brow Define Micro Precision Eyebrow Pencil, and this is in the shade dark brown. So before I actually do my brows, what I actually like to do is I take a little bit of Got To Be glue. This is just to help my eyebrows stay in place all day. When you don't have much time as well, doing a fluffy brow is just easier. And the reason why I've got this dark brown shade is because obviously we're not going to put anything on the eyes for more everyday, so you don't want your brows to look too harsh. For more everyday, I think it's just better just to use like a lighter shade. That's literally it. But look at the difference between that, and that literally took me, what, 20 seconds. What we're going to do is we're going to tidy it up now. So I'm going to go in again with another LA Girl Pro Conceal, but this is in the shade Beautiful Bronze this time. Now the point of this brow is not that it looks perfect. No one's actually got the time for that. Don't stand there and spend hours on your eyebrows, because realistically you've got a train to catch. Do you know what I mean? Once I've carved out my eyebrows, what I do is I go over the whole lid with the same concealer just to cancel out any darkness, and then with that concealer brush I'm just blending it in. If you've got really small eyes, you might want to use a smaller brush just to make sure that stays put like this all day. We want to set it with a really good powder. I'm just going to use the Laura Mercier powder. So I'm going to use the same powder brush that I use for under the eyes. I'm just going to set that. If you get oily brows, you can set your brows as well. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a bit of mascara. This is the Essence Lash Princess Full Slash Effect Mascara. This is some really good mascara as well. Like, it's like £3, but it's really good. So if you want, you can put it on your bottom as well. I don't usually put mascara on my bottom lashes when I don't have on eyeshadow, but today I'm feeling a little bit saucy. Right, so just to finish off, I'm going to put on some lipstick. So I'm going to use this lip liner. This is in the shade Obsessed, and this is the Intense Colour lip liner from MUA Makeup. This is very similar to MAC Chestnut. It's just a little bit lighter. If I'm wearing makeup every day, I can't be wasting my chestnut lip liner. And then for lipstick, this is the L'Oreal Color Riche lipsticks, and this is in the shade 642. I'm not even sure if they do these anymore, but I literally loved them at one point. And I feel like they're so good, like, for every day, because they're nice and moisturising. But look how nice that is, like, paired with the lip liner. Oh, it's just such a nice combo. Love it. So guys, that concludes this video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I really hope you found it informative as well. So yeah, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you're all staying safe and well. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.